What's going on, everybody? This is your WOF Outlook and Discussion for Tuesday, February 14th, 2023. And before we get into today's video, I hope everyone is doing well, remaining positive, and as always, staying blessed. All right, everyone, we will start with Convective Outlook Day 2 here, valid for tomorrow. You can see that the Storm Prediction Center is indicating a slight risk of severe weather here across parts of the Mid-South, Mississippi Valley, extending into parts of the mid Mississippi Valley and La-Tex regions here. And as you can see, the cities that's included in this slight risk for severe weather tomorrow does include Dallas, Lofton, Shreveport, Greenville, Little Rock, and even Memphis. And on the outer edge of that slight risk, we do have a marginal risk of severe weather, which could include the Jackson, Mississippi area. And this is for tomorrow, valid for tomorrow. What's tomorrow, you guys? I am so sorry. Let's see. Wednesday. All right, you guys, it's early in the morning. All right, that's valid for tomorrow, Wednesday. And as we go to Convective Outlook Day 3, you guys, which is going to be Thursday, you can see that threat shifts east here across parts of the Ohio Valley, the Tennessee valleys, parts of the Southeast United States. And as we take a closer look down towards our area, you can see here across South Louisiana, south of Lake Pontchartrain here, we are in a marginal risk of severe weather where it looks like the threat that's going to be more likely is going to be on the North Shore, Mississippi Gulf Coast points to the areas further to the north. And damaging winds, tornadoes, and hail will all be a possibility with this threat of severe weather for this week. And as we take that off, I want to show you guys quickly the water vapor imagery here. As I go to this real quick. All right, guys, you can currently see on the water vapor imagery, we have the first system here spinning over the Texas-Oklahoma panhandle, which is causing some showers across the Dallas area right now and extending into parts of the Central Plains here. As this system heads out to the northeast here, what it's going to do is, as I take this off and put on the dew points, as this system heads out to the northeast, it's going to continue to increase the low level moisture from out of the Gulf of Mexico across Texas and Louisiana, as you can see on this legend here, as the green is starting to spread northward inland across the coastal areas. So, all this, as this continues to advance further inland, that's going to set the stage for this severe weather event tomorrow and Thursday. And now, as we go and take a look at our upper level flow here to see where the strongest lift and support is going to be at for this system. Let me get this ready for you guys. All right, here we go. And we're going to start roughly about 6 p.m. Wednesday here. You can see the strong, you can see the trough starting to enter the Texas region, and the strong low level wind profiles that's coming off the Gulf here. And this will be, like I said, Wednesday evening. So you can see the strongest of the support here is looks like it'll be occurring across north central Louisiana, extending into the, northeast Texas in the Arkansas region. Basically the Arklatex region is where it looks like the greatest lift is going to be at for tomorrow afternoon and evening. And as we head into the overnight hours, you can see those low level wind profiles start to strengthen quite a bit here across the mid Mississippi Valley, the Memphis area, North Mississippi, Arkansas, and even extending into parts of extreme eastern northeast Louisiana here. But we still have even strong wind profiles extending further southwest towards central Louisiana and even as far down as almost the North Shore of southeast Louisiana. And as we move this further along into the day on Thursday, you can see the strongest, to me, it looks like the strongest support for severe weather is going to be mainly to the north of Louisiana here. It looks like across Ohio, Tennessee valleys, extending southwest into parts of the mid to lower Mississippi Valley. It looks like that's where the strongest support for severe weather is going to be. But looking a little closer further down to our area is looking, to my opinion, that we probably, at best, we'll probably see some strong locally damaging winds here as these storms move through the area. And as I progress this just a little further into time, you can see this is about the 16th. Let me make sure I'm on the correct date, you guys. Yes, Thursday the 16th. You can see the strongest of the low level wind profiles and support for this system is going to be well to our north. So to me, that's where the strongest of the severe weather should be. And as I widen that out, as you can see here, by Thursday evening, yes, the majority of this system should be passing our area to the north and east across southeast Louisiana, and things should start to improve by Thursday night, heading into Friday, which by then the cold air, the hawk will be filtering itself right back on in to southeast Louisiana. So that's going to be it for this one, you guys. I know it's a little bit all over the place somewhat, but I made it through it here. What I want to quickly do before I leave is show you all the radar real quick here out of Texas. You can see where the showers are currently ongoing at around the Dallas area, extending north into Oklahoma and Kansas. This is the first system that's moving through. The second one that's coming behind it for tomorrow and Thursday is going to be the much more potent one. But I do believe the majority of the greatest threat of the severe weather is going to be to the north of our area here across southeast Louisiana. So that's going to be it for this one, you guys. Be safe, be careful, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.